Sanibonani guys, how are you guys? Igama lami nguJozi, abangaziyo ngithi welcome back. I'm a storyteller, ngikhuluma izinto ezenzeke real life. If ne story experience it doesn't matter ukuthi senzeke nini, as long as senzeke empilweni yakho. Inbox ku TikTok, I'll send you a number la ungakhona ukungithumela khona istory sakho, mina ngize nendlebe wena uze nendaba. So ngizelana kuma followers nabantu abasubscribe ku channel yami bakuphe advice and then ubone ukuthi unavigate kanjani impilo yakho. Okay, sure. Yeah, guys. Okay, before everything, let me address this issue, guys, and me apologize. Yongexoxa guys, ekseni mangirecorda istory lesana ne lesengisposte namuhla. Bayangiblogekile endleleni. Songe empumulweni, songebezi ngithi. And I thought ukuthi mangi-edit ngicrop out leyo part. So mina mangizibukela because I told you guys a couple of times or multiple times ukuthi mina itori zami like mangirecordile I don't watch then before ngiposta ngirecord and then ngiyaposta and then story sonke masifuli ngisibukela nani angibheka ama cut I don't do that fanele ukuthi ngishintshe ne because ngitoposta the wrong one day. Okay, sharp back to the story. So usisi uthi yenina usisi uthi izani ngapha masing as izani ngapha bona le issue le inyaka like lona asifake but do not judge ne because sometimes that's guys ethandweni azothanda uzokudida mase uphumile kulo muntu ubona ukuthi lo muntu bekangenza isilima yazi bekangenza isilima and ngingaboni ukuthi ungenza isilima like everyone. I think ukuthi most of us lokho so experience ile guys shap usisi neso sisunile unele ngibalo awujozi no lekai DICK indronka so buthi sorke dronka ka mang I'm dronka so ke dronka ke DICK ya DICK ya di bandit when a prisoner or as was a plan that time before the TikTok libo Instagram baba like bagcwala like bajwayela like this iseseyimvela kancane after body mix it kunale kuqala iFacebook or awusizo ngobulana kutshela ku profile yakho nona this part or relationship status besithanda vele sonke mayisaqala vele Facebook uthi uyobhala ukuthi separated engaged married complicated or single or awusizo nakutsilekele single what every time angiposta vele ukhona umunye ubhuti yeah like one like poster anything that I post vele ngiyazi ukuthi ngibona vele ungilike la then ngitshela ukuthi you are beautiful every single thing engiyipostayo angeke ahlale vele andlule angayenzi like uthi hayi awushoza umuntu vele agcine vele aslide into my inbox hayi umuntu sothi ugacheck or check awusijozi kube motho like wambotsa ngawurata wanghatha your body everything yo bengithanda ukwazi ngcono ayu game ukuthi mina nawe singakhuluma na feda okay or awusijozi nakho like nekile singile nekile ko dryland global bekile ko dryland because ngiqeda uhlukana nobaba womntwana nami and unfortunately uthola umntwana washona sokushona ngumntwana my ex wakusula blame mina ukuthi umntwana sagcina yesiyahlukana kanjalo or awushozi hayi vele ngimtshele vele uGayi ukuthi I don't have a problem ngidla ufa number yakhe ukuthi ngimuphi number or awushozi umuntu bekangifonela or attention I got from Jack yo ngibara every phone call namfonela neke graya cheletane ngikenele chelete ngada ulo umuntu bekangifonela awushozi namfonela kusake stara sa 3 minutes or ufuna qamatha ka 3 minutes or that guy bamfonela namfonela awusizo namfonela angifonela ngize vele ngibona ukuthi this guy like serious uthi mind you ne nana kuze I'm working ngiyasebenza ke ngoyena umright umntwana amshonile like I'm starting over impilo yami ngiyaphathanisa then they global urayi sharp uthi ucheck vele so la uyakhuluma nami every day sa communicate every day or awusizo side note ne ngizotry ukuba ukukhuluma ngenhlonipho like this thing but today's episode today's episode ke pitchine parental guidance yahlokeka yaphatho andizongixolela shebo yazi so uthi awusijosi uGayi or nana kuze like bengasi umuntu lo ukuthi like ngiyasenda ama notes and stuff like that uthi uGayi vele athi ngicela ngithumela ama notes or okay beside that uthi 3 months iyandlula so lisakhuluma vele ngifoni arabonani. But funny enough mina mangimfonela most of the time ifoni off. Mangimfonela ifoni off ngimbuka kanti wena check why every time mina mangifonela ifoni yakho like again. No ngisebenza underground, so underground ifoni ayingeni fanele ishare local phezulu, so that's why ngihlala ngitholi mina don't worry mabhebeza uthi beka ngibiza mabhebeza, don't worry mabhebeza mina like ngitofunile usikawara ka umfonile now will call you. What I was choosing like ama red flags ne ukuthi beka khona but leso sikhathi bengawaboni. Or kind natla mfonela or like natla mfonela the whole day, utamfonela the whole night uphela na the 3 minutes uthi I was relationship yethu bikanjalo uthi 3 months idlule uthuka one day athi kimi athesh mabhebeza bengicela mani ngithumele ispatch ngikupela ukubona spatch yabona ukupela ukubona spatch hayi mani ngishudela ispatch yabona ora awushozi no hole into hore akufetsa ka something ngiyamthumela yena akangithumeli like a full length pictures, maybe ngithumela like so or maybe go shitting like or like andromeli like full picture to outfit azanke. So I was vele ngihlala ngiyamthumela vele mangigcoke nice vele angicompliment naye vele azangizela athi ngithumela ithombe uthi guy athi kimi athi you know what sisi mabhebeze bengicela shem ungithumela ispatch. How spatch ngithumela ispatch how spatch ki ikilobona athi bengithumela ngicela ukuthi ungithumela ama notes like ungithumele nje ungakagqokanga ungithumele ngibone namabele ngibone nezibunu yabona things like that uthawu. What I was azange nakaliyenza nje like no whole first time ngizenza ngithumela umuntu engithana naye uthi hey bungizongibona ka camera everything uthi ngishuta uthi ugayi ahlanye uthi ugayi bekahlanya manje yabona ngithi kuye ngithi nawe phela ngithumela uthi vele angafuni athi mina yazi ngafuna ngifisa ukuthumela but kunezinto futhi like ngidisclose before ngawurumela dunyana tsethu so wabona but wena musibabhebeza unanke ukuthi ngithumele or awushozi no whole first time ngiromela dinothi no whole first time ngiba le phone SEX wabona ka call so or like besiyenza vele uma ngifone ngamo AM bazongitshela ukuthi izenzeni it's so or awushozi ngithanda lo muntu lo but asibonani every time afuthi sihlangana ukuthi siphela ukuthi sobonana like kuba le excuse ngeke ngikhone yefindal ko kai or awushozi 6 months if it mothoke moni but kiratana liyena or awushozi bengithengela lo ama airtime bengifakela ama airtime angangithumela like imali and beside leso sikhathi like nami ngamcili like big enjoy the attention I'm fine because bengayitholi mina attention ku previous relationship yami uthi one day ngithi you know what Jack you need to confess unomfazi nabantwana wenza mina slima na because I can't do ukuthi ngithana nawe so over 6 months angakubonanga but mina nawo busy sikhuluma ama phone sicela ukuthi ezenzeni wona zenzeni I like I get great this thing until uba honest nami ngizoyiblock nami ungasangifoneli yabona uthi uJack abona ukuthi manje la I'm losing umamasi uthi uJack athi I just need to confess something but ngicela ukuthi ungakwati ngicela ukuthi mawushayisa amafendi ngisocedile ukupheka odlile ugezile and then ngizokufonela so please ngicela ukuthi ungiphile sesikhathi ula awushozi hayi vele ahlala vele the whole day vele lo ngangifoneli ngifeel like space or mara namoto cause ngikwazi ora kereke lunching uzongifonela like every chance I thola vele ngifonela hayi ura awushozi hayi umuntu angifonela vele around 11 ebusuku angifonela athi mama sowulele ngithi ayisengilele athi hayi futhi sikhulume ngale ndaba le yasemini kulobona ngisindlulekiyo uthi hayi ngithi khuluma athi yazi the reason ukuthi ngingakhona ukubona mina mama singisejele uKotronkongo ngisejele ngibanjiwe but ungawari ngisalele boma 26 months ukuthi ngiphume yabona so ngiyasave but ngiyaphuma ngasidala ngizokubona mama ungawari like I couldn't change ngisakuthanda I'm still the same Jack lo umthandayo ngicela ukuthi ungashintshi check mabazo phela ngicela ukuthi like ama feelings wakho ungawadilute ungashintshi ngawurata mama sikawurata and ngilethele injabulo empilweni yami and like I'm looking forward to ukuthi ngiphumela nekujele because of I know ukuthi I've got something to prove and if I ukuthi nami la ngijele ngizibambe kahle because of I know ukuthi wena mama songimele yabona or motivation on top of motivation or awushozi ngibona ukuthi you know what playing ngami ngithi you know what sizokhuluma about this thing sasa let me hayi usisi uthi awushozi le following day vele mangifonela vele ngayi-answer phone phela like nginale shock or motho like ngizekebela lena kanti uKotronkongo the whole time So like I'm shocked ukuthi kwenzakalani. Uthi udlule 2 days kula ku 3 I'm busy amfonela ang-inbox vele ku Facebook mama ungangenzi so in yabona things like that. What else was the level of attention and love I'm feeling ona lehe alko kuchankanini like beki feel kulobona uthi ngashela ngathi you know what let me give this guy a chance and has explained ukuthi wasejele in stuff like that. Uthi vele answer phone vele ngifoneni ngitshela athi I understand ukuthi uthukiwe abantu abaningi vele bangathuka mongathandana vele nomuntu wasejele so bengicela like ungiphi chance to explain myself or to explain my situation ngoba manje so wangikahlula enusatsibo rwelehile ngorkifihle motronko athi mama singicela ngisejele iPPP ngicela ukuthi uzongibona mawune chance. What I was trying to say, tell me why kile off kitsamaya kitsela petrol ko bona motho a leng ko tronkong. But I was just nga driver ngaya lapha ngifika ngambesuka engizofuna uJack Mabasa hayi wafika vele bahambe vele bamkhombela uJack Mabasa hleli ngakhona. Or I was just vele ngifike high sikhulume no guy first time rebonana face to face or like those feelings that I had karebulela ka phone calls and stuff or bona from mona physically to go phone that kopala bana ngwatlika or like renali that thing or ha bolela re mamasi like amakama lamancane or I was just like ne hankira or ke feel ke na le mfutho uthi vele ka yangichazela ukuthi usejele because of heist. So mama singawari khona imali ngifihlile mangiphuma lana vele mina nawe sizophilisa of life don't worry khona imali ngikubhilile ilabolela ukuthi no ngizophuma ngasikudala but fanele ukuthi vele ngimaintain ukuthi vele ngisiphatha kahle and now ngizosebenzela ukuthi ngiphume because of I know ukuthi nalomuntu ankemetse inkonhle smart that sifana nawe you know what so ukuthi ngimbuza ukuthi wena manje phone because lana kuba mama phone mama singazwari ngalezi zinto lezi ungawari ungastress ngalezi zinto ona mangifuna ngizomthola mangifuna ngizokuthola ungawami what I was choosing I no problem ngithike vele ngendlini uthi hayi i-communication yama phone call iqale I was choosing yorumela sibantu ka binepe ivele i-continue uthi guy athi kimi athi okay uyafuna ukuthi mina ngikuthumele ama notes I was choosing or phela like the wing impaying ngakho like I'm picturing umuntu ojwang ngikho ojwang alijeda what I was just feeling ngitshela ukuthi no nampela ngiyafuna phela ngokuthumela or I was just umuntu vele athi mama ungamangali ne enosikhathi wonke awuromela yabona uthi hayi vele uyathanda ngifona like very late ngabo 11 12 ebusuku ukuthi sihlala sikhuluma ngama uthi sihlala sikhuluma ngama 3 minutes yabona or I was just emothangela snap or I was just uyebonile nje ba or into inalidi kungu manje ngiyazibuza ukuthi manje yena kwenzakalani because markets abantu li smooth ya high one oyinal speed hump yabona uthi vele angifonela athi mama sungathu lezinto lezo like ngisifake to enhance into aka uskawara dikasole mats what I was choosing is mara like itlabereke hayo ngitaba ikadi speed ambotse athi ungawari mangiphumula utloyikwantu utloyikorke ntshejwa. What else was one thing I've realized about the system in South Africa especially amalaw if una chelete anything is possible. Sorry guys but if unemali like anything is possible uthi hayi sidithane kanjalo awusichoose ukuthi umuntu waphela ngithumele uthi akitsebore bana le chelete kaneti obe bathi babamthumela ifamily yakhe nena forwardele mina because utondomela bodi 1.5 42,000 I was just motor kutronko beyakhona le kungipha imali maintenance nje for myself ampotso samoira ngishutele snap lo muntu lo like bongathi uphila lena but like physically but yena usejele because of because each and every detail impilo yami banjalo lapho like ngisifila ukuthi abantu la kusho banjalo na like they can trace whatever you're doing they can trace la usebenza khona or like lo muntu lo bekazi like routine impilo yami yabona. Alright I was just kube ukuthi vele isikhathi siyadlula kuyadlula vele the following year birthday yakhe. Or I was just angitshela that, you know what, my love, they've organized ukuthi you can come and see me ngebirthday yami. So ngi-organizile, so bengicela ukuthi uze bazosipha 3 hours for our very own privacy. So you can come over, uzochilla nobaba. So I was just at the back of my mind, I'm thinking maybe sohlala like ephakeni, like ojardini yako correctional services, yabona uthi ngishele kanjalo. Kanti awushozi umuntu bam-organizele i-private room, like go Tronkong, but like there is a room elinye one hore nalena rebe ko. Uthi ngizibuza ukuthi kanjani, because like umuntu go Tronkong, or awushozi if ever unale chelete go Tronkong, everything is possible. If ever and you know the right people, bazo-organize izinto. Ba-organize vele i-picnic basket, bam-organizele vele like nama-sheet, then kunama-towel ayi-2, or I was choosing mo basketing hunale yo wine, hunale yo biltong, hunale yo cashew nuts, or I was choosing like dilo tse di decent, and angizibuza ukuthi kanjani. Uthi vele masifika lapha athi basiphile isikhathi lesi, so please asisebenzise wisely. I was choosing ngizibuza umuntu lo ukuthi uzongilala nejele, mina ngilaliwe ejele angeke. Or I was choosing ngiphilele namoto ko selling rabulele mama manje phela ngispendile ukuthi ngizoba nawe manje. Uthi ngimtshenge ngithi you know what, as much as I love you, but angeke ngize ngivumula lejele. So now you just have to wait ukuthi uphume. Into enye kumbonisa ngomuntu umbonisa yona uthule kawo isingona lo. Or I was choosing umuntu akhumule aphakame akhumule ambonise ntshwile lunch bar like ibone life. What else Josie? Uthi ngithi mara ngiyazifaka ezintweni. Uthi buza ngibuza. Or I was choosing one thing led to another, sagcina siyo kodrongo. Uthi I was choosing lelo langa I think ukuthi bekuyi-ritual or something. Uthi from that day lo muntu ngamthanda, or from that day moto kamorata. Uthi like ngoba ngathi ingcondo yami ngiyayithatha ngishiya lapha ejele bayivalela, ngiyaphuma nje with an empty head, like ingcondo yami isele lapha. Or like everything bengiyenza it was about him, and bengiyenza each and everything to make him happy, to make impilo yakhe easier. Uthatha mama sim like umuntu uthi uqale vele angithumela imali, then sometimes uzongifuna mama sasa nginamagawuzi angina jersey elomba ngicela ukuthi ungizamele lapho mama sibengicela like awuna cash lapho ungithumele mase. Or awushozi like bophilo bakho boholi about this man Jack Mabaso. Excuse me. Uthi isikhathi sahamba, awushozi isikhathi sahamba, ofika isikhathi ukuthi bayamrelease ke uBrothers. I was so excited. Ngikabulele ukuthi indoda yami phela yaphuma ejele dala lo muntu lo since nalena really kothapelo ngakamre ngi-1 and river ko Tronkong. So like now into like etlo yija each and every day. What I was just I've enjoyed lunch bar, or I've enjoyed the whole first time ke experience, but like nintse re yantlosa moya mbya ko Cloud9, or like I've enjoyed into ela, and I think ukuthi yengenza ukuthi ngilahle inqondo kahle because ngathi bengidigmatized stigmatized ubana thini sobisi uchulela yo nina I want to very excited with people now yaphuma ejele. I'm excited to remona wakho watsa ko Tronkong, cause like bophelo ba ka bo centered around this man. I want uthi vele manje umcollector kobe ukuthi ngithaya sami sulala kwami, yabona sulala kwami. You know what, before ngaya kwakho I need to go home first. I need to go home and ngicela ngihambe ngiyocleansa before I can come over kwakho. I don't want to put the party and everything kowena, so ngicela ukuthi ungidrope kumakhosi fanele ngiqale khona ngiyocleansa kuqala, and then mina nawe sizo-communicate maybe like after 2 to 3 days I can come over. Okay, ngi-understand because of ngibona ukuthi ufuna ukuprotecta my well-being even indawo yami. Uthi hayi awusose vele ngihambe vele uthi vele ngihambe ngivele ngiyomdropa vele kumakhosi ahambe uthi communication still vele ayikhatheki ayenze izinto zakhe ayenze uthi Vikile phela vele angangiboni enze izinto zakhe aqede after a week vele vele angifonele athi ngiyeza ke uthi ngimbarishele ngithi okay uzongithola vele ngisendlini. Hayi afike vele ngimcollecte vele egedini hayi mina nayo vele singene endlini or awushozi nohole. Before we can talk about everything and anything, bo tshwanetse re fete go think because of ke batla go tlolla ntwele gore ke utlwile pila na ikilo bona it was kwaba kanjalo ke ugayi siyaqala ke manje mama simina ngifuna ukushada. I want to marry you ngithande ngingana lutho ngisejele so I don't think ukuthi ngaze ngokuyeke phela opportunity hore batho bangaba grey yabona. So what I was just mawuphuma ejele like you are balisi address la bazokuthola khona yabona la ngile ukuthi usayine khona to show hore usale thing available. So what I was just brothers was like bengicela like move in now because like I'm going to hlukanise distance mina ngizobhala nendlini ngitho hasela dilutsaka I'll fix my life and start over. So ngiyabonga sithando sami ngifuna ukulobola. I do have money fanele ukuthi ngihambe ngiyoyikhipha but angeke phela ngijampise ukuthi ngisaphuma sengenza ama celebration amakhulu they will know ukuthi ngisebenzisa le mali le and bazoyifuna ukuyithatha. So for now ngizoleya lo kube ngathi vela ngina next kube ngari ke supporta ke wena kube gore like depend ko wena but isikhathi masiya siyohamba siyoyikhipha le mali no problem. I was choosing to umuntu ahlale kwami or I was choosing the way I loved that man bengithatha ikhathi lami ngikhola ngalo ngamnikeza lona uye ngiphi imali uyongithelele petrol uyothenga izinto kathelete yaka karkarta yakhe thinking ukuthi umuntu imali market ukugubhulula phela sonke sizophilisa of life. Or I was choosing hayi isikhathi sihamba 3 months yadlula still umuntu angakupha ngemali 6 months yadlula sengiyasupport phela endlini ngisupport indoda ngiyisupport indoda ngigibela. Or I was choosing kube ukuthi ama colleagues wamanje ukuthi hayi wena senze ukukhuluma ngomuntu unemali kanti where's the money because wona norubona ngari ubusy uyabhatanisa izinto zakho azibhatani ikuphi imali wangakhipha encane ukuthi and support endlini na uthi hayi uyasaba ukuyikhipha because labantu laba bayamtrisa so thaya lapha yana bafike bambulala bathathe yonke le mali so like uthi umele the right time akhona ubona ukuthi no lo muntu lo akanamali akazi ukuthi imali kuphi. Or awushozi 6 months yandlula ke support amonna 6 months yadlula 7 months yadlula 8 months yandlula so uzoqala ifestive ubrothers uthatha imoto uyangikhapha emsebenzini ubrothers wami ukuthi angilande fanele ngubharaka sangilandi ha ubrothers ube ebusuku ngemoto yami so kuya ngabo AM ngemoto yami. What I was choosing is lo muntu lona what's going on uthi ngimbeke phansi ngithi kanti check what's going on like awusangilanda emsebenzini uhamba the whole day lana endlini mangiphuma nawe uyaphuma awuspend isikhathi lana endlini uspenda kuphi isikhathi sakho. Or I was choosing that's when I started khona ukuba physical aba physical I was just ngithola nami better mpakisa ukuthi ngimutho utlwa kai uhlala kwami usebenzisa isikopho sami everything ke yaka motlhagase kwaka chelete ke yaka petrol ke yaka koloi ke yaka or everything ngimthengele nezimpahla lo muntu lona thinking ukuthi imali market uyikhuphulula phela ikhipha lapho phansi ayikhuphela khona like re pillars of life ka fela like I've shown this man or ka urata go like insusela bengikhona khona ngaziletha la to match standards sakhe ukuthi impilo ibe right only to find out ukuthi I've been used. Or I was just umuntu one time angishaye sibanga ukuthi uze ngamatha and mina ngilele ngizovusa kuye ngapho hamba ngemoto yami ngimtshela ngicela ikhaze imoto yami ngicela ikhaze imoto because le moto lo yihlangisa ngicela ikhaze imoto yami. Or I was just angaqedanga ngathi uthi abuti or I'm better ariksato mo phaphela ngibulalela jwang ngisibona ngathi ngindoda because of ngiyasupport indoda uyi I'm not the man in this relationship. Or I was just much I'm better uthi la ngaphaphama khona ukuthi this man can kill me because I don't think ukuthi lento le athu yenzile beka yenzile I don't think ukuthi beka imali there is something more ayenzile this man can kill me. Or I was just market ngishade following day ngoba umuntu oculisayo so ngenzele isinkwe esibrown namaqanda breakfast in bed. Or I was just the day I'm better each and everything living ngayiboni click like this ukuthi hayi wena wake up you're stupid. Or I was just after ngishaya ngoba ngathi lengcondo ngiyishalelela ngeseleni yaphinda yabuya ingqondweni yami uthi ngamtshela ngathi as much as I love you bengicela sibe ne-distance, ngicela ukuthi upheke izinto zakho, ngizokudropha off lapho ngidrophe khona off, zothi uma ngikhule down emoyeni nalona reklabu. But for now bengicela ispace sami, ngibe alone. Angeke azange mina ngashaya indoda ngize ngibe ngaka, and mangathi nokuvulela icala ngizabe sengikumoshela impilo futhi because akusikudala uphumele. So please pack your things, ngizohamba ngikudropha or ngizobizela uba drop anywhere la you want. Uthi umuntu wakhale awusuthi or umuntu arabela no angeke ngisaphinda yazi lindaba lokuthi ngikushaya. I think or ke trauma yoba ko tronkungu ngasileke saphinda ngikushaya, ngiyaxolisa sithando sami, ngicela ukuthi ungixolele bokuqala futhi ukugcina or awusuzine the way I was so heartbroken ukuthi ngisupport umuntu over 1 year yonke, adla mina, adla imali yami, adla everything ngiyami. So to next time ukuthi aphinda ngishaya, or like I was so heartbroken. Or I was just ngamtshela ubrother si ngicela ukuthi uyenze before ngifonela amaphoyisa ukuthi umuntu wabhaka izinto zakhe. Hawu umuntu uma azohamba lana ngitshela ukuthi uzonya wena uzonya ube ne-boyfriend uzonya. Or I was just ngimanga ukuthi kanti athi ngithi ube nomuntu uzonya ngizokutrace and ngizokuthola uzonya ube nomuntu. Or kana kuthi una like I'm sleeping on my bed because like sawuqile ubuhlokena uyimi kamuntu anshupa so ushupela kufathi athi ngizokutrace uzonya. Or I was just that was the day I decided to, you know what, ngonyana thotha uthi ngathutha la bengihlala khona. I moved uthi kwaba yilanga la ngirealize khona ukuthi impilo yami ku danger. Lo muntu lona like uyangazi ngisebenza kuphi, uyangazi ukuthi ngihlala kuphi, he can do whatever he wants. Uthi ngabe semarket uhamba uthi ngaphakama ngathi prostitution ngathi protection order, amenzele protection order uthi ngafuna indawo. I moved kule ndawo leyo ngihlala kiyo because bengazi ukuthi emini mahamba wenzile ukukhathisa ikhiya zakhe or whatsoever because nesikade nama security yamazi, so it's easy for him ukuthi athole access ukuthi angangena. Uthi ngamove I was choosing uthi lo muntu lona kusho ukuthi uhambile ngifuna le ngihlala khona angangitholi. Uthi mangithi the other time ngidrive emsebenzini ekseni ngithola ungumele ku parking lot. I was like ufunani lana? Yeah, ungenzile protection order, why are you doing this? Ucanga ukuthi ngizokushaya. Uthi ngimtshela ukuthi you said mina ngizonya mangamuva on ngempilo yami, and from now on I would umpontsitse or motho mojwang ke rezikile bakala gore ba no lukotrongo. So I don't want to get involved nawe, angisawubatla and ngibenzele ne protection order angayithola. Ya ngitholile so ufuna la nemsebenzini wami. Do you want me to call amaphoyisa now? Angafonela amaphoyisa di mama ungawari ngiphumile ku ngizophuma ku, angeke ngifuna ukuthi ngibhusele back le kumnyameni, ngizophuma ku and it doesn't mean ukuthi like boss sex and stuff bengikusama nje. Or I was just ayekho amagama angiphule emoyeni kufana nalawo. I love this man, ngimrata lento ehaya lunch bar. I loved him only for him to tell me ukuthi bekangizama. What I was doing, that was the story. What I was just kwaba bidi kana phone enzani manje kwaba lelanga ngirealize khona ukuthi lo muntu lona wangiyuza from ejele, bekangiyuza wanrobala, bekafuna somewhere la makaphuma ehlala khona, and bekabona mina as the right victim. So that's my story. For the fact ukuthi uze unyamezele le lunch box and then athi ari next awurate nekozama. Hey, brothers. Hey. Bye guys.